Hello. So welcome to Ion CG Max Olympiad. The question is given: find all the real solutions to the system of equation x plus y is equal to root of 4z minus 1, y plus z is equal to root of 4x minus 1, z plus x is equal to root of 4y minus 1. This is the problem given in Romanian Olympiad contest. So this problem is given in this exam. So here these are having two models. So two models we are going to discuss here how to do this problem. So here before going to the problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and think about the problem, how to do this problem. So here very easy only, but you have to think. So those who are new to this channel, like this Olympiad logical and critical and tough problems will be uploaded. So to get the latest updates, you can subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. So here let us take this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, adding 1 and 2 and 3. So here what will get 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to root of 4z minus 1 plus root of 4x minus 1 plus root of 4y minus 1. So here x and x, 2x will get y 2y, z 2z. So you would send all the terms to one side. What will get 2x plus 2y plus 2z minus square root of 4z minus 1 minus square root of 4x minus 1 minus square root of 4y minus 1. So here now what I am going to do is I am making the pairs. So the first one and the this one I am making as a pair 2x. Here I am taking 2 outside. 2 into square root of dividing with 4 x minus 1 by 4 plus 2y minus 2 root of, so here y minus 1 by 4 plus 2z minus 2 root of z minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. This value is 0. So here you are taking 2 common, or you can say divide by 2. Divide by 2. So if you divide it by 2, what will get here? X minus root of x minus 1 by 4. Here y minus root of y minus 1 by 4. Z minus root of z minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. So here adding and subtracting. This is the logic here. Adding and subtracting. Add and subtract 1 by 4. So each term will add 1 by 4 and will subtract. Here what I am doing, x minus 1 by 4 minus root of x minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So why you are adding and subtracting 1 by 4 means here you will get a perfect square. So here this first one I am taking, this one I will explain. Similarly I will write the remaining. So this can be written as root of x minus 1 by 4 whole square, then you will get first term, minus 2 root of 2 into 1 by 2 root of x minus 1 by 4. here plus 1 by 2 whole square. So here 2 to get cancel, you will get root of x minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. So this can be written as root of x minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So here you are using the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square formula you are using over here. So similarly the remaining also you can write our. So the first one I am writing root of x minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square. Second one square root of y minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square. Third one we are writing z minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 0. So here the square terms is equal to 0. Square terms equal to 0. Square terms equal to 0. Each term will be 0. Then only it is possible. Every term is equal to 0. So here what we are doing, root of x minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square equal to 0. One I am taking now. So here what will get, root of x minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to root 0. X minus root of x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Taking 1 by 2 that side, squaring on both sides, x minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. That implies x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 will get 1 by 2. Similarly, we will get y value 1 by 2. So z value is also 1 by 2. So all the values x, y, z value equal to 1 by 2. This is one model. So if you go to the second model, there is a time factor. So listen up to the end. Second model. So this is also very very important. Second model, what you have to do is square and add. You have to square and add all the terms. You have to square and add here. Square and adding the terms direct I am writing due to time factor. So here what will get here, x plus y whole square plus y plus z whole square plus z plus x whole square is equal to 4z minus 1 plus 4x minus 1 4y minus 1. So here you can write x plus y whole square minus 4z plus 1 y plus z whole square minus 4x plus 1 z plus x whole square minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. So now we can write it as a x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4z plus 1 y square plus z square plus 2yz minus 4x plus 1 z square plus x square plus 2zx minus 4y plus 1. So here you have to do some adjustment. X square plus y square plus 2xy minus 2x minus 2y plus 1. So here from this I am writing minus 2x. From this I am writing minus 2y. Similarly here y square plus z square plus 2yz minus 2y minus 2z plus 1. So from this we are writing minus 2z. From this we are writing minus 2y. Total completed 4y. Third one you are writing z square plus x square plus 2zx minus 2z minus 2x minus 1. So here minus 2z you got minus 2z minus 2z minus 4z minus 4x, here minus 2x, here minus 2x will get minus 4x. So this can be written as x plus y minus 1 whole square y plus z minus 1 whole square plus z plus x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So here what will get here, x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, x plus y equal to 1, y plus z is equal to 1, z plus x is also 1 now. Therefore x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1 by 2 is the only solution now. I hope you like the video. So thank you for watching Ayan's Easy Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share to your friends.